Hello everyone! Welcome back and loves you is here at White Sand Beach of Caguait, Surigao del Sur. Ayan, they call this place as a little Boracay of Caraga. Little Boracay kasi napakaganda din naman, no? Yung sand nila is very fine. You can walk here, pwede kang magpaa, barefoot. It's very okay to walk barefoot. Wala akong tsinelas, nagpapaa ako kasi it's so good to feel mag-walk ka ng nakapaa. Ang ganda-gandang makaano ng nakapaa lang. Mafe-feel mo yung sand, di ba? So, those kids says hi. They are dancers for the sayaw sa kaliguan. So, they have a contest ng sayaw sa kaliguan or beach parade. So, ayan. The others are relaxing, waiting for the time contest. So, it's a beautiful day today. So, as you can see, guys, the water is very clear. Ayan, napakalinaw ng tubig, guys. Very, very nice to swim and enjoy the place. Very relaxing ng place. Kasi they have a lot of activities happening now here. Water activities, like the jet ski, the flying fish, the banana boat, can rent, ride for those, or can swim, or just even relax. So, ayan. This is a beautiful view of the beach here. So, ayan. You can see the water. Very, very clear, di ba? Napakalinaw ng tubig at napakalinis. Ayan. This is a beautiful Caguait, located at Caguait, Surigao del Sur. So, from Tandag, mga almost 30 minutes lang siya. So, come and enjoy. Let's explore the Caguait White Sand Beach Resort. So, yan. Let's go! Ayan, so they have a beach parade happening today. So, enjoy! At nagutom na ang person. Nakakagutom guys, maglakad-lakad. Kaya hanap tayo ng food. Ayan, may gulay sila. Bamboo shoots, may atay, may gulay sila dyan. So ayan, may program din. Ito yung stage nila. Naka-face sa stage. Yung stage nila is mismo nasa dagat. So ayan, di ba? Very, very unique. Tsaka ang galing-galing. Ito nga pala guys ay mga souvenir t-shirts. Kung gusto nyong magpa-print or bumili ng souvenirs with kagwait designs. So ayan. Meron sila dito kaya bili-bili na. And also may food stalls sila. So sa mga nagugutom diyan, hanap-hanap na kayo ng foods. So ayan, may food sila dito. At saka pagkagabi at night, they have their own bands here to play while you're eating, while you're dining sa imong mga friends, loved ones, or family. Pwede kang mag-dine in while listening sa bands nila. Aside sa band dito, may band din doon sa stage. So, they have 2 stages here in Caguait for this event, no? For the Kaliguan Festival event. Stage dito sa may stage sila na nagpe-play, na may band silang nagpe-play dito banda sa may food stalls, and another stage for someone to play also. May mga guests sila, yung mga guests nila doon sa stage na nandoon sa may dagat. O diba, ang bonggacious ng Caguait. Grabe, super salute sa nila. Pinaggagastosan talaga nila yung nila, preparation ng event na to. Yung place, ang stages, talagang nakita ko wini-wielding pa nila yung pag-build ng stage sa may dagat, di ba? I really love the idea that they build the one stage by the water, by the beach, because it's very unique and cool. You can swim, dine in, relax, at the same time listen to the band performances of their guests. So it's really a package. It's a really beautiful idea. The water is very clear with a fine sand. So yeah, it is a little Boracay of Caraga. So what are you waiting for? Come and enjoy, relax in this beautiful place of Caguait, Surigao del Sur. Pinopromote ko talaga siya guys because I am amazed. Sa experience ko dito, talagang sulit na sulit, di ba? Hindi naman siya masyadong malayo sa Tandag. Hindi siya masyadong malayo sa highway. So kaya, accessible talaga siya. At saka, hindi ka disappoint kasi napakaganda talaga. Sulit na sulit. So, you can comment below and you can contact me if you want me to tour you around the place. The beautiful beaches here around the Philippines. So, to see is to believe, guys. The experience is real.
As the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night.